Platform 1 for the 2200 service to Wick and Norwich. Calling at St. Earth, Hale, Camborne, Redruth, Truro, St. Austell, Parr, Lostwithiel, Bodmin Parkway, Liskeard, St. Germans, Saltash, Plymouth, Ivy Bridge, Totnes, Newton Abbot, Teignmouth, Dawlish, Exeter St. David's, Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Bridgewater, Highbridge and Burnham, Weston-super-Mare, Yatton, Nailsea and Backwell, Bristol Temple Meads, Bristol Parkway, Cheltenham Spa, Ashchurch for Tewkesbury, Bromsgrove, University, Birmingham New Street, Tamworth, Burton-on-Trent and Derby, where the train will divide. Please make sure you travel in the correct part of this train. Customers for St. Earth, Hale, Camborne, Redruth, Truro, St. Austell, Parr, Lostwithiel, Bodmin Parkway, Liskeard, St. Germans, Saltash, Plymouth, Ivy Bridge, Totnes, Newton Abbot, Teignmouth, Dawlish, Exeter St. David's, Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Bridgewater, Highbridge and Burnham, Weston-super-Mare, Yatton, Nailsea and Backwell, Bristol Temple Meads, Bristol Parkway, Cheltenham Spa, Ashchurch for Tewkesbury, Bromsgrove, University, Birmingham New Street, Tamworth, Burton-on-Trent and Derby may travel in any part of the train. Customers for Nottingham, Grantham, Peterborough, Whittlesea, March, Ely, Lakenheath, Brandon, Thetford, Attleborough, Wymondham and Norwich should travel in the front 6 coaches of the train. Customers for Belper, Chesterfield, Dronfield, Sheffield, Meadowhall, Chapeltown, Elsecar, Barnsley, Wakefield Westgate, Leeds, Garforth, Church Fenton, York, Thirsk, Northallerton, Darlington, Durham, Chesterley Street, Newcastle, Cramlington, Morpeth, Pegswood, Widrington, Almouth, Berwick-on-Tweed, Dunbar, Longniddry, Preston Pans, Wallingford, Edinburgh, Haymarket, Dalmeny, North Queensferry, Inverkeithing, Dalgety Bay, Aberdour, Burnt Island, Kinghorn, Kirkcaldy, Markinch, Ladybank, Springfield, Cooper, Lucas, Dundee, Monifieth, Carnoustie, Arbroath, Montrose, Stonehaven, Portlethen, Aberdeen, Dice, Inverurie, Inch, Huntly, Keith, Elgin, Forres, Nairn, Inverness, Burley, Muir of Ord, Dingwall, Alness, Invergordon, Fern, Tain, Ardguy, Culrain, Invershin, Lairg, Rogart, Golspie, Dunrobin Castle, Brora, Helmsdale, Kildonan, Kinbrace, Forsenard, Altnabriach, Scots Calder, Georgemas Junction, Thurso and Wick should travel in the rear 6 coaches of the train. The next train will divide at Derby. First-class accommodation is situated at the middle of the train. This train is formed of 12 coaches. Platform 1 for the 2200 service to Wick and Norwich.